Clean and big rooms with great facilities. Rooms are big and clean. Onsens are also of great variety and are clean with many amenities. Buffet dinner and breakfast were delicious too. Wonderful stay. Wonderfully renovated hotel with all amenities required for a short stay provided. View from family room was amazing. Good dinner and breakfast buffet. The buffet is very good. The room is nice and clean. The public onsen area has 5 different temperature onsen, included 1 outdoor onsen. However, the staff is not good at English. Overall, it is a fantastic and price reasonable hotel. Exceptional. Very impressive. I stayed for 2 nights in a lake view room including meals. From the moment we arrived we were met and treated with courtesy. Our room was nicer than pictured, spacious and clean and comfortable. We loved the big windows which were clean and allowed for picturesque views both at night and during the day. Made use of the onsen which includes an outdoor bath and the table tennis room. Last, as others have mentioned, the breakfast and dinner buffet were excellent and the food items changed each time. The staff voluntarily offered to take photos which was appreciated. Before staying at this property we considered 2 other well-regarded properties. We are very pleased with our choice. Would recommend this resort without hesitation. Super fantastic stay, best stay ever. Only wished we could stay for more days. Excellent in every area. Exceptional. All staff are very polite. Exceptional. The hotel is on a hill and has nice views of the area. I had very nice big room. The onsen was nice and there was a nice variety of foods for breakfast and dinner. However, you have to walk uphill from the shops and the bus terminal. The hotel did however provide pickup from the bus terminal. The bus to Shari and Abashari stops at this hotel. The level of English of staff was limited but they were patient and understanding. Excellent hotel. Large onsen to choose from. Hotel is like a mini attraction. Hotel is slightly dated but well kept and clean. Hot water is also good. Free parking on the hotel property and near to the sunset viewpoint. Exceptional great and spacious room and facilities. Classic ryokan. Very beautiful hotel in a beautiful nature setting. Spacious ryokan and western room with breakfast and dinner buffet. Food is sumptuous and good variety. Stay 2 nights and explore the nature slowly, come back to a relaxing onsen dip and then delicious dinner.